Hello, my name is Mark Clary and I am the outgoing board chair for NCOPE, the National Commission on O&P Education. It has been an honor and humbling experience to serve in this role over the past 2 years. The time has gone by very quickly. Our profession, like many areas of healthcare, continues to advance and change at a very rapid pace. New technology, AI, workforce demands, among other things, are causing us to have to adapt quickly, yet still continue to provide the care that our patients require. Our vision as NCOPE is to continue to promote excellence in education and training during these times, and to continue to inspire and empower future O&P professionals. One of our main accomplishments from this past year includes the development of new residency standards. Thanks to the tireless work of NCOPE's former clinical resource director, Chris Robinson, and the Residency Standards Committee that was led by Cheryl Sachs, our new standards began a rolling out process on July 1st, 2025. The new standards maintain the core purpose of O&P residency, but no longer tie competency to a particular device. Rather, competency is based on 7 domains, which include areas such as professionalism, communication, decision-making, and patient care that better reflect the clinical skills needed in our present healthcare environment. NCOPE is also currently working closely with ABC to make sure the updated residency standards align with the updated certification process and trajectory of our profession. Over the coming years, the residency training models and exams will be combined for a more efficient yet still rigorous process of becoming a CPO. In collaboration with our National Academy, NCOPE also developed the inaugural Clinical Mentoring Award. Nominations were sought in the fall of 24. This past year was presented to Michelle Hall at the Academy meeting for her many years of service and mentorship in the name of O&P education. NCOPE continued to monitor and receive progress reports this past year on 2 large projects. This first project, initiated by our past chair, Sue Spalding, involves an O&P Core Concepts and Principles grant that we were able to fund. We worked with the O&P Foundation to seek out O&P researchers that would identify core concepts and core principles which O&P professionals use to solve problems, and also look at to what extent current educational standards documents align with what will be identified. We eagerly await the results of this study in the coming year to help guide our decision-making moving into the future. A more recent project, also started by Sue, is the creation of an O&P workforce study. She is guiding this committee that includes a diverse collection of members representing many areas of our profession. A progress report was just released earlier this month, and a complete final report from the Center for Health Workforce Studies out of Albany, New York, is set to be released by the spring of 2027. The goal of the study is to evaluate and document the current status of the O&P workforce while also projecting workforce needs over the next decade. The final report will highlight key findings and other valuable insights for educators, planners, and policymakers in order to support more informed decision-making related to the O&P field. These 2 projects were accomplished while continuing our main focus of accreditation services for both academic and residency programs. It was exciting to welcome East Tennessee State University as one of our newest O&P master's programs as they sought initial accreditation, as well as witness the advancement of the O&P assistant program at Oakland University in Michigan. Hundreds of residency programs across the country also continued their strong commitment to the second half of the education process by providing a structured learning environment for graduates. I would like to thank our immediate past chair, Sue Spalding, for her years of service to the NCOPE board. She continues to volunteer her time and expertise to our mission and oversee those 2 large projects. Her passion for O&P education, vision for the future, and leadership as chair will have a lasting impact on the sustainability of our profession. I would also like to welcome our new board chair for this year, Cheryl Sachs. Cheryl brings a wealth of O&P professional experience, especially in the areas of patient care, mentorship, and advocacy, along with her many years on our board and executive committee. I know she will provide great leadership in the coming years. To the NCOPE staff, including the newest member, Jonas Young, CPO, who has taken over as the Director of Clinical Education Services, Robin Seabrook, our Executive Director since the founding of the NCOPE, our board members, the numerous committee volunteers, I thank you for your valuable time and continued dedication to the O&P profession. And finally, I would especially like to express gratitude to our outstanding academic program directors and their faculty, the residency directors, mentors, and clinic staff that paved the educational pathway for our future clinicians. I look forward with anticipation for the continued growth and success of our O&P profession and the patients that we serve. And I wish you all a very healthy and prosperous 2026.